Grantham Caravans. My name's Brian, I'm part of the sales team here at Grantham. You can contact us on 01476 560 599. So just about to take you on a short walk round tour of a Coachman Laser Xcel 875. A twin axle transverse island bed with rear bathroom with the EMP self-levelling on it, the 8 foot wide, Alco secure wheel locks and many fantastic features. So here's a good look at that particular caravan. So Coachman have got a new logo for 2021 which you see at the front. You've got also the ATC trailer control system, making for a far safer and secure tow. 2 side locker boxes, one for 2 6kg gas bottles and the other one for light items like your step, your electric hookup cable and other items. In the laser range you've got the silver side, which really looks fantastic on these particular caravans, and they've selected some wonderful logos and decals to really offset this beautiful caravan. You've got an exterior barbecue point and also exterior 240 volt socket and side locker box there. You've also got a rear access hatch to underneath the transverse island bed. So stepping inside the caravan, a change for 2021 is this wonderful white pebbled Corian work surface. Really offsets and looks fantastic in this caravan and extremely durable. Gloss finish on the 2 lockers with the Xcel logo and an easy usable height microwave. Also with Omnivent in the kitchen area to take away those cooking smells and also bring an ambient temperature into the caravan during those hot summer months. You've got 3 gas hob burners and 1 electric in a combination oven and grill with pan storage underneath. Positive catches to the drawers and plenty of storage in the kitchen area. The high quality finish on the laser fabric scheme that you see here with scatter cushions and curtains to match. 2-tone lockers, and also one of the great features as well you see here is the soft close locker doors. Large panoramic sunroof at the front, coupled with a medium-sized hecky light, letting a huge amount of light into the caravan. Benefiting from the Alder wet central heating system and the main control centre located above the habitation door. PIR sensor for the alarm located down there with short pull-out chest and storage drawer there as well, and also benefiting from a wireless charging point. Your first television point located here, so you can pop a TV on the side with a further storage cabinet in front and also located above. Stepping through to a generous sized fridge freezer, so freezer at the top and fridge located at the bottom with storage located above. Into the bedroom area, you've got a side cabinet here with very large wardrobe, and here you've got your pull across concertina blind which clips into this magnet here. Second television point located here in the bedroom area with a small vanity mirror tucked around the corner, storage in a cupboard there and also underneath. The bed currently in the day position that you see here, so an ample amount of space to move around the end of the bed to get through to this high quality finished bathroom area. 2-tone wood lockers again going throughout into the bedroom, coupled with another medium sized hecky light, creating a fantastic feeling of space. Very large individual shower cubicle that you see here. High quality of finish on the sink with storage cabinets underneath and a nice large vanity mirror. You've got the Alder central heated towel rail positioned right next to the Thetford toilet with some tucked away cupboards above and some wonderful finished blinds dotted throughout the caravan. So that gives you a real good feeling, a good understanding for what this Laser Xcel 875 2021 has to offer. Coachman have had a fantastic 2021, so stock is certainly very sparse at the moment. So should you feel this is the right caravan for you, I'm sure we can put a fantastic deal together for you. I hope you've enjoyed the short walk round tour. We do offer a live one-to-one personal tour with one of our sales executives should you want to take us up on that, and we can show you in some of the extra nooks and crannies that I might not have covered in this video. Thank you very much for watching the video. We look forward to hearing from you and hope we can do business together. Bye bye now.